If you are a beginner and you want one solid SQL project to put in your resume and confidently explain in interviews, then don't skip this. In this project, you will learn every important SQL concept step by step, explained in a very clear and simple way. By the end, you will be able to apply these skills on any SQL project with full confidence. And to make it even easier, you will get the complete source code link in the description. So you can download it and practice on your own. Do this project fully and you will have something real to showcase, not just theory. Let's start working on the project. The very first step is creating the database. I have already written the script for that. You just need to run this one line. Create database salesdb. That's it. Your database will be created. The next step is to create tables. I've already prepared the script for all the tables. Just run it in your SQL tool like pgadmin and it will create all the tables for you. If you see in the table section, there is no tables yet in the salesdb. So let's run the script to create all the tables. Now let's refresh it. You can see the customer table is created. Let's do the same for all tables. Now this will create products table. Now orders table. And finally orders detail table. Now the 4 tables have been created. Let's refresh the table section to see all the tables. Now you can see all the tables have been created. Let's run the select statement for customer table. Now you can see the table is empty. We need to import data into these tables. I'll show you the process. Click on the customer table. Then choose import export. Choose import export data. Now click on this icon, folder icon, and now open the data folder. I will provide this folder. Click on customer, open, OK, and the data is imported into customer table. Do the same for products table and for order details and orders table as well. But follow my order. First import into customer, then products, then order, and last into order details table. Each CSV file will go into its corresponding table. Once the data is imported, I'll give you a quick walkthrough of all the tables so you can clearly understand what each table contains. Now the process is completed. Let's understand first the customers table. In the customers table, we have customer ID, its name, and its sign update, right? Now let's understand the products table. So select all from products. In the product table, we have customer ID, its name, and price. Now orders table. Select all from orders. In this table, we have order ID, customer ID, order data, order time, and its amount. Now the last table, which is order details. Select all from order details. Now order details. This table contains details ID, primary key order ID, product ID, and total quantity sold. In the next video, we will start looking at the business questions and the key keywords that we are going to solve in this project. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment. That really helps and also motivates me to make more videos for you.